Our today's project name is Magic Trading. Its token ticker is MTK. You can purchase MTK token with MasterCard, Visa card and Bitcoin. You can simply sign up here and can purchase tokens. National investment platform Magic Trading is entering the most important phase of the digitalization of personal assets. Following a digital scaling plan, the company will go through a step-by-step process of creating a global public company. From then on, each partner of the company will be able to become full owner of a part of the company, share, receive additional dividends, and have the right to vote at international meetings deciding key issues regarding the company future. This is presentation video of MTK token. You can watch it, and this is the tokenized stock detail. Crypto assets include not only digital currency but also tokenized stocks, bonds and other securities, tokenized shares and securities in the form of security token operating through blockchain technology. Assets in this era have already proven to be an effective investment solution. The security token is secured by a real asset and is linked to its value. It is impossible to counterfeit, such as digital stock. Unlike hyper-volatile cryptocurrencies, which can quickly rise in value and just as volatility fall in value, tokenized shares are considered more reliable assets because they are secured by the value of the company. And this is MT token detail. MT token, tokenized share of Magic Trading, created on the basis of TRC20 according to the regulation. The token has undergone the process of tokenization through STO, security token offering. STO, the counterpart of the IPO, which meet all legal requirements of a regulator. This procedure is a key element in the legality of the tokenization process and guarantee of legal transparency, which reduces the risk of investors, and this is the benefit of MTK security token. First is obtaining ownership right of shares in the Magic Trading investment platform, receiving dividend in USDT from MTK token ownership, gaining voting right at international meeting for owners of 0.05 MTK token or more, obtaining the status of a members of the joint stock company Magic Trading Group Limited, saving on commission 24 hours, access to markets, moderate volatility, ensuring liquidity and security through smart contract and blockchain respectively, receiving fee tokenized company stock via referral airdrop. And this is the specification of this project. Magic Trading platform is issuing a limited number of stock equivalent to 49.5% of the company's total capitalization of USD. Each partner of the company will be able to purchase a digital asset both on exchanges on the Magic Trading platform. MTK owners receive a dividend in USD of the company profit twice a year. After an international summit of analysis of the current result, the amount of dividend is determined by the amount of MTK ownership, and the final two key profit partners owning 0.05 of the tokenized share of the company have the right to vote in closed meeting, making the most important decisions regarding the development of Magic Trading. MTK pre-sale starts September 2021. Number of token per sale. MTK sales start October 2021. Number of token referred of the referral program, paying a dividend to MTK owners. Number of token per voting right at shareholder meeting, and this is the distribution detail, roadmap detail, and their partners. MTK news, and this is the FAQ section. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching.